Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss Mendel law of segregation. In this topic, we will discuss what is law of segregation, what do you mean by monohybrid cross, what are the traits and contrasting traits in this law, how to solve these traits with the help of test cross and Punnett square, and what is the ratio, percentage, and conclusion of this law. So let's start the topic. What is Mendel law of segregation? Mendel law of segregation states that during the formation of gametes, the two alleles for a trait separate or segregate from each other so that each gamete receives only one allele for that trait. Monohybrid cross is basically a cross in which one trait is studied at a time, or you can say a monohybrid cross is a genetic cross between two individuals that differ only in one trait, and these traits are controlled by the two different forms of a single genes known as alleles. And the purpose or the advantage of monohybrid cross is it helps to study how alleles segregate or separate and combines during fertilization. Or in simple words, you can say a monohybrid cross explains how one characteristics, for example, seed shape, plant height, is passed from parents to offsprings. Explanation of the experiment. He crossed true breeding round seed plant with true breeding wrinkle seed plant. He observed that the new offspring generation will have round seeds. It means round seed trait is dominant and the wrinkle seed trait is recessive. For example, pea plant and seed shape. The trait in this law is the seed shape, and the alleles for this trait are capital R for round, and which is a dominant trait. Small r is for wrinkle seed, which is basically a recessive trait. Test cross in this test cross, step one is basically the parental generation, in which both female and male parents have a pair of genes. Round seeds have two alleles, capital R and capital R, and wrinkle seed has recessive traits, which can be represented by small r and small r. In step one, both parents will transfer their single gene to the next generation during gametes formation. In step 2, the gametes receives only a single pair of gene from their parents. Capital R produces gamete capital R, and recessive trait will produces gamete small r. In step 3, first generation, all offsprings uh, contain capital R small r round, since capital R is dominant. And step 4, we will cross F1 generation, first filial generation, with the second filial generation, and will obtain the four different pairs of alleles. So in step 5, the F2 generation have a ratio 3:1, which indicates that there are three seeds will be round and one seed will be wrinkle. In this Punnett scale, you can also cross the female gametes with the male gametes, and you will obtain the 3:1, in which you will obtain the three different ratios: capital R, capital R, capital R small r, capital R small r. These three are the dominant traits. It means these seeds are round shape, and there is only a one recessive trait, which is small r, indicates that the dominant trait will express their characteristics, and the recessive trait will hide their characteristics. So the phenotypic ratio is basically the physical appearance of seed. It means there are three round seeds and one wrinkle seeds, and percentage includes 75% are the round seeds and 25% are the wrinkle seeds. And the conclusion of this law indicates that round seeds are dominant and they will pass to the next generation.